This is a quick screen tutorial on Google Slides, which is also known as PowerPoint. This is assigned to elementary students, and they have a rubric attached to this where they have to add a few slides. And I'm going to teach how to add backgrounds, how to use research, and how to add and delete a slide. For the first page, I'm going to click on the thumbnail, make sure that it's highlighted. If something over here is highlighted on the slide, I lose some of my menu options. Some other menu options appear for use on the slide, but I need the menu options for the thumbnail. I'm going to click on background, and I could choose color, but I'm going to go ahead and choose an image. Search, and since I'm doing Nebraska, I'm going to type in Nebraska. I'm going to click on red because I know they love their Huskers. I'm going to click on the shape of the state and hit select, and then hit done. Notice it's here. To go on to the next, which is fun facts, I want to know what the population is. I'm going to click on tools and research, and I'm going to type in population of Nebraska and click enter. And make sure I'm clicked right here and the cursor's blinking, because when I click back here, oops, wrong spot. Click over here, it'll say insert. I can insert it right from that box. Since we're working with elementary students, I want to make sure I'm using standard numbers, standard numeral form. And we can go ahead and add famous people. I did famous people the same way, and I can type in Gerald Ford, who was a president, and there are other people too, but I'm going to go ahead and skip to time zone. I'm going to go ahead and click right in here, and Nebraska time zone. And I should see a map somewhere below. I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and I do notice that Mountain time zone and Central time zone. So I'm going to go over here and type in Mountain and Central. For the state flag, I'm going to put it on the next page. So I'm going to get rid of this here. And I'm going to go ahead and Command X, cut it off the page. And here's where I'm going to add a slide. I'm going to click the plus sign. Make sure when you add a slide, you put your cursor and click on the slide just before where you want it to be added, and then click the plus sign. So in here, I'm going to go ahead and Command V, which is paste the state flag here, and I'm going to type in Nebraska state flag, hit enter, and I'm also going to click on it and notice that there are images that appear. I'm going to slide down to one that looks nice. I'm going to go over to this one, and I'm just going to drag it right over, and I'm going to increase the size of it. When you want to add another slide, you add the plus sign, but when you want to get rid of it, make sure it's outlined in the thumbnail and hit the delete button. Well, that's it for now. Next time, we can go over additional information that we can add, as well as ways to add other kinds of images.